Hello everyone! Today we would like to show you the easy connection of remote I/O systems with the new interface modules VariPhase Front Connect and the PLC interface relay modules. The task is to connect modern I/O systems quickly and error-free with the field level. Either the I/Os already provide connectors for signal connection, or the I/Os are contacted with our perfect fitting front adapters. Pre-assembled system cables can be used to connect all I/Os with the new ultra-compact VariPhase Front Connect modules for a passive signal transfer. For relay applications, the V8 system wiring adapter enables fast, simple and error-free connection of the highly compact PLC interface relay modules. VariPhase Front Connect, the next generation of interface modules.